Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mehmet Erdoğan by Smile Hair Clinic. Today we wanted to mention and explain everything in 30 seconds, the curious questions that we already have.
Is hair transplant permanent?
Is hair transplant permanent? I think that is the most important question that we receive from the patients. It is somehow permanent, somehow temporary. Because sometimes we use the right amount of grafts from the safe donor area and they are very permanent. But if we use high graft numbers, we need to use out of the area too. So those are not staying forever. So we need to use some medications to prevent their hair loss.
Do transplanted hairs fall out again after some time?
After the hair transplantation, we use to see the patients are losing their hair loss. This is called shock loss period. After the second or third week, the patients are losing their hairs until the third month. Don't worry, you are not losing your hairs. They are lively, healthily living underneath your skin, but they need to grow up after the third month until the 1 year. So there is a period of time that you are losing your hairs.
What affects the long-term success of a hair transplant?
Long-term success rates of the hair transplantation is according to the technique that we use, the surgeon skills, and the donor area quality, I think. If these are matched together, so we have the perfect result for the patient. So if we have the right donor quality, if we have the right amount of grafts to cover the entire area, then the patient will be satisfied forever, I think.
Can the non-transplanted hair continue to fall?
The non-transplanted hairs, the recipient area, in the recipient area we have native hairs that is existing. They may continue to fall. The hair transplantation does not have any solution for that. The solution is just using some medication, or maybe you don't lose them. So it's like a destiny of your time. But yes, sometimes we see the fall of those hairs, but there is always solution for that.
What should patients do to maintain results after a hair transplant?
What the patients should do after the transplantation is very important, the post-operative care. We do the right things in the operation, but I think there is a long period, like 12 months for the patient side, so they should be controlled and they should be really follow up their own condition, like they should prevent from the traumas, they should use the proper medications that is listed in the instructions, and they should be very careful with their hair loss continuation, so they need to follow up themselves. So I try to answer all the questions in very short timing, but if you still have some questions that you are curious with, just write on the comments or just ask us and we'll try to answer everything in the next episodes. Thank you.